Good morning. I am meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your weather briefing Storm Scoop Extended Outlook. This is the week of February 12th, although today is the 13th. We were having some technical problems yesterday, so we're going to do this on Tuesday and then again later in the week. So we do have a lot to talk about, so I want to make sure we jump right in. Obviously, we've been doing our detailed discussions on Storm 3 and Storm 4 for the upcoming week. So last week we had Storms 1 and 2, and this week we'll have Storms 3 and 4. We're currently experiencing Storm number 3, bringing a pretty good whopping of precipitation into the northeast. All those areas that have remained oversaturated over the last, let's just say 2 months, are going to continue just to get pounded with rain. And again, another chance for precip, although more wintry on Friday. Let's put this into motion for the next 2 weeks, and then we'll look at a couple different things, and then we'll point you to the detailed discussion. So this is today. You'll see the system push out. This is Tuesday afternoon, so some of that heavier banding works its way into southern New England and into Maine, and then pushes its way out. And then you'll see our next system, and following our first system, see all this cold air, right? It's a fresh injection of cold air. So it's going to be dry air and it's going to be cold air. So that's going to play a part in what kind of precip we see on Thursday and Friday. So here comes that system. All right, this is Thursday morning. It's starting to take shape, forming off the Carolina coast. And then as it heads northeast, just misses the benchmark and then brings wintry precipitation, especially at the onset for many places. And then some places are going to see, either an all snow event or a mixed bag. This is sort of the line that we're thinking of here, that Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts border is going to be kind of tricky, that seacoast area. Southern New England might start off as some snow. Then we'll get some mixing and eventually a turnover to rain. Again, some of that front end precipitation, even in New York City, could see some flakes here before getting a good dosing of rain. So we'll put this into motion as that storm pushes out. Nice weekend. Some passing showers over the Great Lakes, snow showers, bringing an inch or two. And then we cut into next week. Again, you can see it's kind of dried out and slowed down. Our pattern's gotten a little less progressive, a little more slowed down. The cold air is still in there. We should be seeing a warm up soon. We'll talk about that. And then continuing on into next week, really, it's just the system's been here. Not ready to call it a trend yet. Light snow showers into the northern northeast, northern New England areas, and then a chance for a tropical system. I don't buy this one. Let's throw that out. Just too many things are wonky with that. And then the last 60 hours, we don't usually read into. Again, some broken snow showers into northeast, and then this looks like our next guy here. So let's quickly just look into our Friday system. So these are our features. We have our kicker and our cold air, and we have our pieces of energy. Our mid-level air, our cold pocket associated with the second cold snap, is going to have a quick ride to the north and east. It'll easily get into place prior to the development and arrival of the fourth storm later this week. So everything today is setting up this situation for Thursday and Friday. Additionally, for Friday, this is the 850 millibar temperatures. This is a pretty intense cold. I wanted to highlight that here. This is cold, especially for November. It's down into the lower layers of the atmosphere. It will easily make good on the suggestion that we would, and likely now will, see frozen onset precipitation well south and west of all the earlier systems. So if you've seen rain before, this is your chance to see some flakes, and this will also draw the rain and snow line well south and east, if not into the urban corridor to open the storm. I don't think this is a big snowmaker, but I think a lot of places can see some white flakes. So keep it dialed into our our detailed analysis every day. These are the the day-to-days that are really intricate, and we're trying to bring some graphics that are really telling. So keep an eye on here. We'll be back later this week to do another one of these long-range outlooks. And till then, keep it on the Storm Scoop, and I am meteorologist Steve Krasinski with Weather Briefings. Have a great day.